Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from Grady Tech and this is the tech news of the day. Now the first news is about AI. Now you might have been hearing people say about AI taking away jobs and many things like that. So the International Labour Organization has actually conducted a study to see how much of an impact does AI has on jobs. So according to their study, AI is not going to take away any jobs. It's just going to add to the current jobs. Like it's going to be a complement. With AI, it's going to improve your productivity and save a lot of time and help you do more at less time. According to the study, the only field that's going to be affected are the clerical works, which mainly deal with data processing, creating charts and stuff, which can be automated even now. So you really don't have to worry about AI taking away your jobs. Next news is from Samsung. Samsung has announced the world's first HDR10 Plus gaming title. It's called The First Descendant. It's a first-person shooting game where you can actually have the experience of HDR10 Plus content. You still have to have the other HDR10 Plus supported devices, whether it's the graphics or the display. With all that, you now actually have an actual title, actual game that you can play in HDR10 Plus visuals. So that's definitely a new benchmark in the gaming industry. Next news is from WhatsApp. So WhatsApp has brought a lot of new features, and among them, first one is the screen sharing feature. Now you can actually share the screen of your Android phone or an Apple phone directly from your video call. Just like with Google Meets or Zoom calls, you can first start a video call and then share the screen of your phone. If you're using a Windows PC or a Mac, once again you can use the WhatsApp application to share your screen of the window or the complete screen. WhatsApp is basically trying to add all kinds of features into it, and it's becoming more than a simple messaging application. Next, WhatsApp is also bringing 3 new text formatting options for the regular chat. First one is for coders. So if you have 2 programmers and you want to share code over WhatsApp, you can now share the code and you can actually read the code in the WhatsApp message itself. It won't be like a simple text. You have a dedicated formatting for the code, which is pretty good. Next, we have another dedicated format for quotes. If you're someone who likes to quote stuff or use quotes for conversations, you can give it a try. And finally, you can now share lists in your messages. Like you can create a shopping list directly in your messages without any third-party application by just adding a few characters before the list. Now that's all for the regular users. For the community, WhatsApp is also bringing in polls. Now if you have a community, you can use the polls to interact with your audience and get feedback from them, which is definitely a pretty good feature. Moving on, we have news from Snapchat that says they are working on a new AI feature called Dreams. You just take selfies of yourself and your friends and upload it, and the AI will generate images with different backgrounds. Let's say Taj Mahal, Eiffel Tower, or the moon, or the Mars. So basically the AI will generate different kinds of backgrounds for the photos and give you a completely different look. There are a lot of applications in the Play Store which does the same, but now Snapchat is bringing it to its own application. So that's the new feature. Do look forward for that. Next news is from ISRO. So Chandrayaan-3 is going to land on the southern pole of moon on August 23rd, or if the climate conditions are bad, it's going to land on August 27th. We also got some cool footage, which honestly doesn't look that good, but that's the actual footage that we get. From all the movies and stuff, that's just CG. Now let's look at some of the interesting leaks. Now the first leak is from Google. According to the leaks, Google Pixel 8 and the Pixel 8 Pro may ditch the SIM card tray just like the Apple's iPhones in US. Once again, it might be just in US, and in other countries we may still see the SIM card tray. Next leaks are from Motorola. These are the leaked renders of Moto G84, which looks pretty good and might be launched in a month or so. Next, we have some interesting leaks and teasers from Realme GT5. So we already know it comes with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor with a 24GB RAM, 1TB storage, and now, according to the teasers and leaks, it comes with a dedicated X7 display chip which can improve the video quality, and on this phone you can actually change the CPU frequency based on your preference. This is definitely a pretty cool feature. It's like overclocking or underclocking your CPU, and that's right out of the box. Next leaks are from Samsung. So Samsung might be planning to release fan editions or the cheaper editions of their Z lineup, that's the Fold 5 and Flip 5. But that's going to happen in 2024. So wait till the next year. Next, once again, we have news from Samsung. So we got some leaked images and some specifications about the next upcoming budget tablet from Samsung. It's called the Samsung Galaxy A9. And this year, Samsung might also release A9 Plus, which might come with a Snapdragon 695 processor. Honestly, specs aren't that impressive. It's better to go with Redmi or the Realme pads. Moving on, we have some leaks about the OnePlus 12. Now, OnePlus 12 will be the 10th year anniversary for the OnePlus flagship, and according to the rumors, they're obviously going to have better cameras, but this time they might come up with a periscope camera and obviously a better looking display. It might come with a bigger battery, a 5400 mAh battery that supports 100 watts of fast charging and 50 watts of wireless charging, along with IP rating and a very premium build, and obviously an increase in price of $100 or $200. So that's to be given. Next, we got some more information about the iQOO Z7 Pro. Well, we got the camera specifications. It's gonna come with a 64 megapixel camera with optical image stabilization. We actually got the phone, and I must say it's an amazing looking phone. It looks absolutely amazing. Check out our Twitter for the pics and some sample shots. Next, we have news from Acer. Acer has actually launched 2 new tablets in India, Acer One 8 and One 10. Honestly, specs are pretty bad. I would recommend you to go with Realme or Xiaomi pads. Now for the final news, we got new offers for the Samsung Flip 5 and Flip Fold phones. If you're interested, do check it out. It's always better to go with an upgrade. You get extra discounts apart from the exchange value. So if you have an old Samsung lying around, just exchange it and get extra discount as well. So guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and do subscribe to our channel. And thanks for watching the video till the end. It means a lot to us. See you tomorrow.